I'm good. Mambo? Naitwaje?
Okay. Which part of the
Saturday. So a lot is this one at the top. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Miss Winnie. So I recorded this and realized I was having a bit of an audio issue. My phone was screeching because of overheating. So yeah, I was just explaining that we're doing an evening walk today. We're going to be viewing Nairobi in the evening and at night as well. And we're going to see the new development, the new street lights and everything in between. So go ahead and subscribe. Like this video because you're about to experience the real Nairobi energy. So let's get into the video, guys. Today's guest is Gabriel Bosco from Turning Point Africa. He's going to be explaining the current developments going on in the CBD, what the government is trying to do. He's very well versed, so I wish most of you would take time to actually listen to what he has to say about what exactly is going on here. Please check out his channel on YouTube at Turning Point Africa, and once you get there, please tell him that you're coming from Miss Winnie channel, and I'd really appreciate you supporting his channel as well.
Here used to be a parking lot, but
Well, we
now
are stepping now.
Yeah, where we are stepping. But you see now this has completely been changed to just a place where people can come.
Yeah.
Maybe chill and also maybe sidewalk.
Yes.
So there are plans by the county government of Nairobi to decongest the city. So this is one way of discongesting. Yeah, just make sure that at least we don't have a city that is congested, a city that has so many parking lots.
Yes.
You know, the more the parking lots, it gives, it leaves small space for people to. It includes the lighting of the street.
Yes.
So this one is called Victoria Light.
Victoria Light.
Yeah, the type of light that you have.
Okay.
You can see it's very nice. The quality is also very good.
Okay.
Yeah, that it does not produce that bright light. It's not as you see, like one of the ones.
Yeah.
This
And this one.
different from what we have here.
Yeah.
So this one's called Victoria Light. Yeah.
And I can see a lot of people are doing photography on this street.
Content. So
Sitting by the side just to, you know, get a rest if you've had a long day.
Yeah.
Yes. It's in the evening, it's a Saturday. So a lot is happening at the same time, obviously.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Mambo? Naitwaje?
Naitwa Omar. Omar.
What do you guys do here?
Do
Photography.
street photography, yeah.
How much per picture?
100. Edited 200.
Edited 200. How long do you take to edit?
Like some 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Sometimes
You
it
have
depends.
a studio.
Yeah, we got
Where?
studios in Kasarani.
You have one in town.
Yeah, Pioneer House. But we can we got referral in town.
So I'm on YouTube and I'm going to post this. If someone anataka kufikia, what's your phone number or page on Instagram?
Instagram, Malfaf Arts. Malfaf Arts.
Spell that. M?
MALFAFARTS. Malfaf Arts.
Okay.
Baby, me I like you. Give me a number. I call you. Get my number. Okay.
Bye. Okay, so that's what's happening, guys. Miss Winnie, Kenya. Miss Winnie Kenya.
Miss Winnie.
Winnie
Kenya.
Kenya.
Miss Winnie Kenya.
Miss Winnie
Kenya.
Kenya. Yes.
Show them the tweets, huh?
Miss Winnie Kenya.
Also, my guy, also.
MS
Nyamar.
Winnie space Winnie. No, MS, not MIS. Yeah. Yeah, Winnie. WINNIE space Kenya.
Medic, yes, Miss Kenya.
Or just KE.
Okay. Miss
IG
Kenya.
on YouTube.
YouTube.
Medic. Miss Kenya.
KE at the end. Space KE. Yeah, search.
Oh, yeah. And you.
That one, the
Queen
top one.
Kenya.
Yes.
Winnie.
Yes, yeah.
We'll see the post, right?
No, it's Miss. You've written Mrs.
Oh. M.
S.
Guys.
KE at the end.
Record,
Winnie
record,
Kenya.
record,
Yeah.
record.
Yeah. Search. This one at the top. Thank you.
This guy, huh?
Uh-huh.
Check this guy.
No, it's fine.
Take me.
Hello. Ah. They have subscribed.
Oh, you got subscribed.
Yeah, they wanted to know the handle. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's Nairobi. A bit crazy. They seem drunk, but they're doing a good job. They're working, taking pictures, you know, making a living. I think it's a good thing the government is doing. And let's see. Beautiful. And of course, the Victorian lights at the, what do we call it? The moment.
Yeah. Instead of being a weekend.
Are these trees going to be done? Like something? It looks like supposed to be like a coconut tree or like with more leaves. Yeah.
Yeah, it was put here.
Yeah.
With watering, it will sprout with time.
Ah. And then guys, this is the Kenyan matatu. Loud music. You can see this is a Kenyan matatu. Beautiful. Nice. Wow. This is a noisy street. The street is so loud. Amazing. Huh? Huh? Wow. Oh, I want to take this. What's this called? So, guys, this is like they're supporting a football match. This is for that piki piki.
Picha kwa ajili yako.
Beautiful.
They actually had a game.
Oh,
That's why you're seeing those.
the fans, yeah? Ah, beautiful. Sasa. Wow. Comment down below, guys. Tell me what you think about Nairobi streets. Huh? Tell me if your country has vibrant streets like this. I wish I can interview those. Yeah. I hope they can speak English.
How do you find Kenya?
Exactly.
It is.
Exactly.
Okay. Which part of Japan do you come from? Tokyo? Okay. You're a tourist in Kenya? You're a tourist? You came to see Kenya?
Yeah, we come to see.
Oh. Is it a good place? Okay, be safe. People are nice. Okay, be safe, be safe. Keep yourself safe.
Okay guys, that was a crazy moment. There's like a football match and these people are like fans celebrating the whole match thing, so that's why there was that crowd over there. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and continue with this street walk of Nairobi, Kenya. Comment down below, let me know you guys, because you know Nairobi is normally, whenever Nairobians or Kenyans rather are very energetic people. So we celebrated AFCON and now that's a whole other thing. That was FC Leopard fans. So yeah, Nairobi is amazing.
It's done.
Yeah. We're 360. This is Nairobi, guys.
Your face last night when I looked in the sky. You were smiling. You told me I would be okay. You will make a way in my dark times. Lord, I saw your face last night when I looked in the sky. You were smiling. You told me I would be okay. You will make a way in my dark time. 'Cause every time I hear your voice and every time I feel your touch, let me know I can face tomorrow one more time. Oh, every time I hear your voice, oh Lord, and every time I feel your touch, let me know I can face tomorrow one more time. Now, when my fears are gone away, I'll be glad to say you're to me. And even when those moments are wrong side, it's so loud. I'll be glad to say.
So guys, this is the beautiful city of Nairobi. It's evening, it's about 7 a.m, 6:40 thereabouts. So let's take a walk, guys. Tell me if you've ever visited Nairobi. What do you think? This is street photography. So beautiful, guys. It's a nice restaurant over there, Cafe Deli. Beautiful. Of course, most people are now just going home after work. So this Cabro is just very new here, and basically they're not yet done with constructions on the end side of it, so it's just over there. You can see, of course, people are taking photography here, photos, street photography, for like 100 to 200 Kenya shillings per photo. So yes, construction still ongoing.